Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an inexpensive steering control arm for a kayak mounted trolling motor. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. These are the main parts I'm going to be using in this project. This is a 1/4 by 20 eye-to-eye turnbuckle here, and because you have threaded sections on both ends of this turnbuckle, one side will turn, normally does, which is turn right to tighten, but the other one will turn the opposite way. And so what I want to do is, for the connection to the steering cables, I want to use the standard threaded side. So I put a little mark on there so I know which side is which. Then I'm also going to be using this 29 to 31 millimeter diameter, which is about 1.1 to 1.25 inch stainless steel T-bolt hose clamp, and as you can see here, and so this will fit around a standard 1 1/8 inch shaft trolling motor, and it tightens up with this bolt here. Now, one of the sides of this clamp is drilled straight through with no threads, which is on this side, the bolt head side, and then this side is threaded, which helps tighten it up. Now, because this is a 6 millimeter bolt, I'm going to change that out with this piece of 1/4 20 all thread, and then I'm going to use a couple of washers and nuts on it, and that's also stainless steel. So in order to make this work, what I'm going to do is, and I have another one of these clamps, is that the threaded side here will just drop out like this. So when that drops out, what I'm going to do is, because I have more than one of these clamps, I'm going to use one of these non-threaded parts here, put it in here, and that way I can slide my 1/4 by 20 piece of all thread through there. Now, if you don't have two of those clamps to use, you can always take that one section and then just go ahead and drill it out so it'll accept your 1/4 inch all thread. I just want to show you quickly how I removed this piece here that I want to use, because it's kind of locked in here with this lip, and it keeps it locked in here so it doesn't come off. So all I did was I took a pair of pliers and just popped out this section here, and once I did that, everything just dropped out. Okay, so I threaded the turnbuckles to the way I wanted it, and I just took this machine screw, or you can use any 1/4 by 20 screw, and I stuck this in a vise, and then just took this and ran it all the way through, and because it's soft aluminum, it just went ahead and rethreaded it, and so now it's ready to be attached to my clamp. This is a view of the control arm completely assembled, and as you can see, you have the two eye bolts on the ends that you can attach your steering cables to using carabiners, or if you want to, tie directly to the eyes. Okay, so I've attached the steering control arm to my testing trolling motor, and I have a couple of S carabiners hooked up to it with some paracord just to show you. You pull it, and there you go. It turns just like that. Now, depending on the size of the shaft, you might want to put a piece of rubber between the clamp and the shaft itself, just to pick up any little gaps, or even wrap a little electrical tape around it. But it works just like it's supposed to. I wanted to show you another option that you have for steering. You can do it like a tiller, and all you're going to do is use one of the turnbuckles to do it, and then, as you can see, how the setup changes in the back here, like that. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments. Thank you.